Hi guys, welcome to this new video. Today we're going to go over more of the answers from the BAC, from perles du BAC, and we're going to start our series of answers with a student who had to write about an author, and he wanted to quote this French author who's really famous, Jean Anouilh. If you've never read him, go ahead. Jean Anouilh, and the poor student could not quite remember the name, so he wrote it was a quote from Jean de la Nouille. So it's like John Noodle, all right? It's not quite Jean de la Nouille, it's Jean Anouilh, all right? The next one was in math. The question was, à quoi sert le théorème de Thalès? Le théorème de Thalès is the Thales theorem. Le théorème de Thalès. So, à quoi sert le théorème de Thalès? What's the use of the Thales theorem? Well, in French, it turns out that le théorème de Thalès, I mean, it's a little far-fetched from that student, I guess. I don't know. I never thought about that, but Thalès sounds like your leash, like a dog's leash, une laisse. So to the question, what's the point of Thales theorem? À quoi sert le théorème de Thalès? The student simply answered, à promener ton chien. Well, to walk your dog. Pathetic. Okay, all right, moving on. Next, in history, a student said, je crois que Christophe Colomb a découvert l'Amérique à bord du Titanic en 1492. So he says, I think that Christopher Columbus discovered America on board the Titanic back in 1492. You got some of it right, at least. All right, that's pretty good. That's encouraging. And so, yeah, by the way, we pronounce the Titanic, we pronounce le Titanic. D'accord? All right, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please post them below or send me an email at alex@language-c.com. Subscribe to this channel, download the app. The link is in the description along with the link to the website. If you want to subscribe to the entire course, do so. We also have live classes on a regular basis. They start every 8 weeks, so don't miss your chance to learn live with me in my virtual classroom. You can also, if you don't have time, the schedule is not right, you can always either subscribe to the course, unsubscribe anytime. You can purchase any part of it. It's an absolute thing of beauty. We have over 90 hours of video lessons, over 30 hours of video listening comprehension videos where I break down sentences. I say them slowly and fast, the way I would say them to a friend, blending words together, so you get used to the way native speakers blend words together, which is really challenging because nobody teaches you that usually. And if you have any questions, again, drop me a line at alex@language-c.com, and I'll see you soon at Language City, and you'll see what it's like to speak like a native. À bientôt!